My name's Rhys and I'm currently studying electrical installation at Ngogledd Cymru, Bangor. I decided to come to college because I'd get a better future because there's further courses to choose from than in school. Well, as part of my course, I've done human factors such as learning about the dangers of electricity and gone over science and electrical engineering apart from that as well. College changed me. I've learned to be part of a team and I've become more confident in myself, and I've helped others as well with skills that they're not being such confident, so I've helped them to learn and grow in college as well. My advice for future students would be to work hard and put your head down, because if you work hard you could get a good job in the future. After finishing this course, hopefully I would get an apprenticeship after leaving college and hopefully come back next year and see how it goes from there.